rocking on a late night, trying to beat the devil at a fist fight, looking for a friend in a bottle of red, making up words that have never been said, waiting in line for the next line, making up a rhyme but it don't rhyme. Baby, I'm a loser at this game. If you could see me now, you'd be ashamed of me. Be ashamed of me, 'cause I'm not worthy of your love. I'm barely keeping up. Feels like every single thing, all I ever do is say I'm sorry. I guess that I'm not worthy of your love. Every night living like a runaway, trying to make it back for the break of day. I never learn from my mistakes, so much for my great escape. Put my future on the back burner, grew up fast but I'm a slow learner. Only got myself to blame. If you could see me now, you'd be ashamed of me. So ashamed of me, 'cause I'm not worthy of your love. I'm barely keeping up. Feels like every single thing, all I ever do is say I'm sorry. I guess that I'm not worthy of your love. How could you possibly love someone like me? A fool I'll always be.